Hi everyone, today we're making chocolate chip cookies.
So me and Elena are going to be on a team, and we're going to bake half a batch of cookies, and she's going to bake the other batch.
Wish me luck.
So she's never baked or made anything except waffles.
I make waffles.
Pretty much.
I make good waffles.
Okay.
With chocolate chips.
Anyways, so
Practically chocolate chip cookies in
Okay.
waffle form.
anyway, just ignore this for a long time. She's okay. Anyways, we are going to need 1 1/8. How do you say that? 1 1/8 cup. 1 1/8. 1 1/8. 1 cup and 1/8. I don't know what's
How
happening.
1/8 of a cup.
Yeah, that.
1 1/8 cups.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Oh, we actually have an 1/8 cup, and it's like so thin. It's
No
like
way.
spoon.
How is this a? Oh, this is
So anyways, we're gonna have to share these, so I'm gonna go first because this is my chance.
Yeah.
Oh man, what happened to this flour?
No, look, you just.
No, wait a second. This isn't good flour.
We have more flour in that.
Okay. Here. Wait a second. You can use it. Okay, Elena, I'll put this in. Elena, I'll put this in. And then, well, Skylar does her flour, me and Elena will move on. Well, not yet. We don't stir flour. Okay, and then we need half a teaspoon of baking soda. So, have it right here.
So this doesn't have to be exact.
Where's our teaspoon? Here it is. Okay. This is all really busy. So if you don't understand what I'm saying, the ingredients will be in the link down below. But yeah, you probably don't understand anything I'm saying.
Look down below and press this button to subscribe.
You said that last time you were on my
Okay.
channel. So now we need a fourth. I wrote a fourth cup
One
teaspoon
half
of salt.
teaspoon.
No, we need a
Make
fourth
that
teaspoon
now.
of salt. So not yet. We got this part. So this is
There's like nothing in here.
Okay, pour in.
Okay, here we go. Okay, so that's our salt. Do you need more? Because we have more.
Yeah,
Not
we
yet. Not yet. Okay, and now we are going to use 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal. Okay. So, yep. We should like fast forward this, but I don't really know how to do that. So you're just gonna have to watch and be patient for whatever you're waiting for. Okay. So can you give that to Sky?
Here.
Okay, yeah, you can stir it now. So now we have to stir all those ingredients I just said together, so that is what she's doing. I feel like we should do something more amusing for you guys, because this isn't amusing at all.
We can talk in British accents the whole time.
Please
Even though
don't.
mine is horrid.
No, if
By
it's a
the way,
if it's a
she
British
also has a
accent,
channel.
if it's a British accent and it's bad, it's wretched.
So now, we need, just a second.
Okay, so
Okay,
now
we need another bowl. Okay, can you watch her stir that? I'll be right back. Hello, I'm coming closer now.
I would have just put it in the same bowl.
No. Oh, I wanted
I
to.
missed that. Jay, that's a colander.
I'm getting a bowl.
You're just gonna get a colander.
No. Look, I appeared again. Okay.
Mine. Oh, where's mine?
This is yours.
Thanks.
So now, in a separate bowl, we are going to put...
So tell you how to combine all the ingredients.
Stop it, then you listen to me. Okay, now, who's they? People are actually looking at
Can I
this
help you?
right now. Hello.
I help you
Okay,
get
in a separate bowl, separate. Make sure it's separate because she was going to put it in the same bowl, but we don't do that
I know what
here.
you're talking about.
A half cup of shortening. That looks like this.
Wait,
Okay, so now, what have I said? Okay. Now
Why
we
didn't you
need
just get half
3/4 cups. That's how you say it, right?
3/4 cup. That'd be a 3/4
A
cup.
3/4 cup measurement of brown. Thank you. Of brown sugar. That was a two-thirds.
Okay.
So now we need half a tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, ready? Man, it comes
So
out so
is-
slow.
where
So this is
is
a
that?
half tablespoon of vanilla
Is this
extract. But
Can I push it now?
not yet. You can't switch it yet. And then it says it calls for a 4th cup of applesauce.
I can't
But
do
the thing is, we don't have applesauce right now, so we just use baby food pears. That's quite handy. So if you have a baby in the house,
Right,
you
how do you
already have
open
this.
Baby
Okay.
food.
Huh?
I'll help you with the baby food.
And actually, if you've ever opened these, you know that they're really hard to open.
I squirt
right?
myself with that.
Yeah.
It's like you can see it coming.
It's
but-
bad. Okay. Oh, can I use that? Is that a 4? No, it's not. You're just using an 8.
I used 2 1/8.
Oh.
So,
Two
Also, so you
16.
know,
quit trying to mess me up.
I split the recipe, so we're basically both making just
Feels
one batch
stupid.
together. Okay, so now we are done with that. Well, actually, okay, so we actually have a fancy stand mixer. No, but anyways, the mixer is really cool, but it's hiding because it's camera shy. So,
It's right behind the camera, actually.
so what we're gonna do is we are going to clean the table. Can we do this? Can we like speed it up though, like in the Movie Maker? Can we do that?
I've tried it. It hasn't worked.
No, maybe we can do it. Let's just clean the table. If it doesn't work, we'll just cut this part out. So either we'll go really fast or we'll see you in a bit.
Okay, we're back on. Hello. Okay, so now we have our beautiful stand mixer named Eglantine II. Okay, we are going to mix the brown sugar and shortening and vanilla and baby food pears together. Stop laughing. Okay.
I think we should be done.
So, okay, last one. This is gonna take a
And then
while.
we'll put it over here.
Mommy.
Okay. Okay. Well, just do it as good as you can. I've also found when you're using a mixer like this, it'll mix better together if you go on a higher speed. Okay. But now, oh wait, this isn't mine. Cheers. Okay. So now, I'm trying to figure this out. Okay. So now the dry stuff that we do, which is the flour and baking soda and salt and flaxseed, is gonna go into here. Let me see. Yeah. So yeah, that's what's going on there. So I'm actually gonna just leave this on. I'm not gonna do it yet because you can't hear me. But I'm gonna leave this on and then slowly add this because I feel like that'll work better. I don't think it says to do that, but I feel like we've always done that for some reason. So that's what I'm gonna do. That was a lot of talking, but I'm not gonna tell you stuff.
No, I don't want you standing on your chair, okay? He's gonna hold you up. No, I don't want you to stand.
Before I go on, the reason that I am waiting so long before putting the rest in is because it takes quite a while for all the flour to get in there, so you have to wait a little. You can't smoosh it yet. So I actually think we're gonna need to add a little more. Come see the batter, everybody. Come see it. It
Okay.
looks very dry, so I mean it normally always looks very dry, but just to make it not so very dry, we're going to add a little more baby food if I can get it open. So now I guess it doesn't really matter how much you add, just not a full bunch because you don't want to add too much more because it never said you needed this, but I feel like I should because it's too dry. Sit on the table. Are you sure? Okay, so we are finally done with the mixing. That took a long time. Poor Branchie, I'm sorry. Anyways, okay, so you can come over here and see how it looks now. Are you here?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so it should look something like this. I guess you can't really tell the texture of it, but yeah.
Use like a spoon and like stir it around a bit just so you can kind of see.
Wait a minute here. So, pretty, it's like really kind of hard to move around. Okay, so now we need half a cup. We're using dairy-free chocolate chips, but we need half a cup of that. So she's gonna
Could I eat the cookies?
You can eat the cookies after they're done, silly. Okay, now you can start with that spoon. I'll hold the bowl. Use this, but we're only gonna use like half of it because that's apparently what makes a normal size cookie. Yeah. They're fighting over cookies. Don't listen to them.
They're delicious.
It's hot in here. Okay. Right. I get you. They call you Mama.
Now it's time for taste testing time.
Okay. So she's gonna try. We're not telling her whose is whose, but she's gonna try, and then we're gonna try them.
Okay, so try both halves and
One's
tell us
from
which one is better, okay?
This is better.
You didn't
try
try
that
the other one yet.
This tastes more better.
Okay, so which one wins? The first one or the second one?
Shouldn't even eat that one though. Take a bite of it and then tell us what you think.
It's good.
Okay, so point to me. Oh, hello. I'm going to try one of mine and one of Skylar's, and so will she. But we're going to try hers first.
Perfection. I win. Okay, ready?
Mine wins.
These are terrible and awful, and I just gotta eat the whole thing just to fully see how terrible and awful it
Yeah.
is.
Mine wins.
My one.
Oh yeah, she helped me. I forgot.
Well, Elena's is the deciding vote, right?
Because technically we know whose is whose. She doesn't.
Right.
So she voted. Actually, Savannah tried it too. She voted for yours too, didn't she?
I am the reigning champion of the cookie challenge.
Make sure you describe.
Well,
Bye.
not yet. Okay.
Bye.
Mom's being really loud.
Because that's not awkward. If I can make a half tablespoon, I'm not making it, but you know what I mean. She's sick of thinking.
Do we have a 3/4 cup out?
Stop the video. Stop the video.
Why?
Yeah.
No, let's take your hand.
Okay, you can put it in.
Why does it consider
It's
brown
so
sugar one of the wet ingredients?
I don't really know.
What was that?
Do we have any
Because
of
that's
those?
not her
Four
name.
videos on her right now.
That's her code name. Her real name is, wait, don't.
What?
Edna Mophius. That's her real name. I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay, so Edna Mophius is my British alter ego then.
British.
From now on.
Ooh.
Go like this.
What?
Oh, she just burned. Okay. How does this happen every single time?
Gross.
That's how she asked her things.
She's got there.
Does anybody hear that?
She's getting a little too comfortable.
If I can, if I. Unless they hate pears. Oh man, that would be bad. So
Wait, do we have a 1/2 tablespoon? Or are we just...
we're doing that.
Okay.
I am just messing up my words today and every single day.
Welcome to my life.
If the person behind the camera goes like, so that's probably why the camera's gonna be really shaky because she's trying not to laugh.
Cookie. Cookie. Cookie.
Wait. Oh.
You're gonna say it like a nerd, so you say it.
What?
You don't know what time it is?
It's time for taste testing time.
That was more nerdy than I would.
I'm not quoting her.
I'm here. Let's eat some more cookies after dinner.
Are we chewing with our mouths open? I'm sorry.
That could have been bad.
Okay. Well, we gotta wait for
Say hello, mother.
Where do I put these?
We gotta wait for friends over here. Over here.
Oh, wait.
Nerd party. And you always have to like hold them away from yourself because you're scared. It's kind of like a biscuit container that squirts you. But it doesn't surprise you. So it's like.
No, how about just make it like Eglantine Mophius?
Okay. My name is Eglinton.
Jay, you gotta be telling the measurements.
Oh.